Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Just wanted to hop on here real quickly, let you guys know about an announcement that Carnival Cruise Line has released concerning the Carnival Panorama. Now, we've already been talking about the fact that the Panorama is currently out on a sailing, has developed engine issues, propulsion problems, resulting in a reduction of speed, caused 2 ports to be missed, and the biggest question has been about the upcoming cruises. What was going to happen to those? And today, Carnival has answered that question, and unfortunately, Carnival is going to be canceling the next 4 sailings on board the Carnival Panorama. The engineers have taken a look at the problem. It has been determined this is not something they can fix easily. The ship is going to have to be taken out of service and will have to go to dry dock in order to be repaired. So the cruises that have been canceled are the November 11th, November the 18th, November the 26th, and December the 2nd sailing. So all 4 of those are canceled. And guests on those sailings were notified by Carnival, letting them know that the Carnival Panorama is experiencing an issue affecting its maximum cruising speed on its current itinerary. The ship will be taken out of service at the conclusion of the current voyage on Saturday, November the 11th, and go immediately to dry dock for the repairs. We expect the ship to return to service for the December 9th departure. Now, all guests booked will automatically receive a 100% refund for their cruise, shore excursions, or any pre-purchased items for the cruise ship. Guests on the November 11th and November 18th sailings will receive a 100% future cruise credit because it was a last-minute cancellation. Remember, this next one is only 48 hours from embarkation, and those guests on the November 26th and December 2nd sailing will receive a 50% future cruise credit. And for any guests that booked airfare on their own, has some additional expenses, Carnival says it will also reimburse up to $200 for that as well. For that, you will have to, specifically reach out to Carnival Cruise Lines, get with them. They're going to want documentation, other types of information, because it's all going to depend whether or not travel insurance covers it and items like that. So if you have any of those additional expenses, reach out to Carnival Cruise Lines and see what reimbursement they will provide. And for the passengers that were booked, I know that's not the information they wanted. They probably would have much preferred to hear, hey, we were able to fix it and your cruises are going to go on without a hitch. You're going to be able to go to all of our port stops, especially because these are holiday cruises. One of these cruises is directly over Thanksgiving. And now, unfortunately, here at the last minute, they are canceled. And hopefully this dry dock will end this engine issue that we are seeing with this class of ship. We've seen it with the Panorama. We've seen it with the Carnival Vista. We've seen it on the Carnival Horizon. And hopefully this is the time that they finally figured out what is wrong. They're able to fix it, and cruisers do not have to go through this again. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise update. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It's free to do so, helps the channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a video, drop a quick video talking about something you may need to know, especially if you're cruising in the next 48 hours on the Carnival Panorama. Hitting that subscribe button will let you know anytime we drop information. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.